Okay, everyone, I just created this brand new server and logged in at Hetzner into my new VPS. And I'm going to show you what you can do with one single line of code, which is this one. So I'm going to add my domain, forkdat.com, N8N. And now it asks for my license key, which I acquired earlier. And now it's running the complete installation for the perfect marketing automation stack, which has Mautic, the newest version of Mautic, in a Dockerized setup together with Amazon AWS plugin. So you can run Mautic with Amazon AWS or your SMTP connection for sending newsletters, marketing automations, and making all kinds of crazy stuff. Plus, it installs N8N together with a quadrant vector database, perfectly fit for your marketing automation agents and for web agents in all kinds of ways. Plus, it has Gutenberg PDF, so you can create PDFs with N8N, so you can basically automate your whole marketing and internal automation system with this stack. It takes a few seconds. Installing Mautic is by far the biggest thing. This takes around 60 seconds. So I would just fast forward here. You can keep an eye on this number. Okay, and now it's waiting for the services to start, which takes a few moments. You see here, it took 67.2 seconds all in all to run and install everything. Now I have my running Mautic here, admin username, my password, plus a running N8N version. So you are good to go and you can start your marketing journey together with me. So if you like this video, go there, get the stack from automatis.pro and install your own marketing automation system.